Today we welcome back over 100 donors, volunteers, fundraisers and legators to campus for our annual Because of You festival. Hosted in our fantastic new Centre for Student Life, our guests had the chance to hear some of the research happening at Cardiff right now and also meet students and discover all the opportunities available to them as a result of their support. This was a chance for us to say thank you for the support for our students, researchers and staff at Cardiff University. Supporting students means equipping them with the skills, knowledge and experience that they'll need past graduation. Mental health support, employability opportunities, mentoring and chances to try research for themselves. Their support for medical research means that discoveries are accelerated in cancer research, neuroscience and mental health and immunology. Our supporters are not only transforming research but also making a difference to the lives of people suffering with a range of illnesses, whether cancer, depression, arthritis, sepsis or dementia. Our Because of You festival is truly a celebration of everything that our supporters make possible. From us all, diolch yn fawr, thank you.